guys, I'm gonna share with you the things that you use to tighten up your skin to remove acne, pimple and hyperpigmentation. So guys, if you know that you want to tighten up your skin, you have wrinkles and you want to tighten up your skin, just keep on watching. This video is definitely for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. But guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Just hit that red button down below and just click on the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing we need is our rice. So right now I've boiled the rice, so I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of rice. This 1 tablespoon, and I'll add it into the blender. Then I'll add another tablespoon of rice into my blender. I've added 2 tablespoons of water into the rice for easy blending. So I'm gonna blend it. I'll be right back. So guys, I've blended this, so I'm going to turn it to my cup, small cup. So I'll just turn it to the cup. If you like, can pound it, but I prefer blending it because it will blend very well. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends, to your loved ones, and turn off your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, the next thing I'm going to use for this is my jojoba oil. If you have sweet almond oil, you can use it. If you have coconut oil, you can use any type of oil you have that is stable for your skin. You can use it. Why I'm using this jojoba oil is because I have oily skin. So that's why I'm using it. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Sorry, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. So the next oil I'm going to use for this is argan oil. I'll just drop a few drops, just 1 drop argan oil into it. I'm going to use my lemon essential oil. Just 2 drops of lemon essential oil. Then I'll mix everything together. The last thing I'm going to add for this is my water. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water into it, and I'll mix it. So guys, I decided to just add a little bit of sweet almond oil to it. I don't want to show you guys you can still use any oil. That's why I decided to add it. For people that why didn't you use the sweet almond oil? So that's why I decided to just add, to show you guys that you can use any type of oil you have. Okay, that's why I added it. Okay, so I'm gonna mix everything together just for night only. Remember, I added a lemon essential oil, so please just know that it's just for night. So look at it. You can see the way it is very thick. So don't go anywhere. I will show you how to apply it. Just stay tuned. So guys, after taking your bath in the night, the next thing you do, just apply this on your face. Just apply it all over your face. Just apply it all over your face. If you have oily skin, if you have pimple, This is going to take away all the pimple, all the acne, to just take away the wrinkles from your face. It will tighten up your face. If you're using it to tighten up your face, you can use it like 2 days or 3 days maximum is okay. Then if you're using it for taking away the pimple acne, I would advise you to just use it for 5 days and you will see the results. It will see the maximum results. This is not a joke, guys. Just give it a try. Just give it a try. It works so fast. It will just tighten up your face and remove every wrinkle in your face. This like anti-aging cream is only in the night that you apply this. Don't apply it in the day, just at night. Just at night, because you're gonna leave it till the next morning. You will not wash it out. You just leave it in your face till the next morning. When you wake up in the morning, you will just see how your face is going to look like. Honestly, it works so fast. It works so fast. If you remember anything, the rice works so well. Honestly, just give it a try. You can use brush. If you don't want to use your hand to apply it, you can as well use your brush to apply it. Okay, so that is it. I'm using my hand to apply it, so you can go ahead and use your brush to apply it. It will take away all the sunburn and the wrinkle, the blemishes, the hype. It just remove everything to make your face look like a baby skin. It will make your face look like a baby. Just give it a try. It will, in fact, it's going to tighten up your skin. Within 2 days, you will see the results. Just tighten up your skin. Just give it a try, guys. Just a try will convince you. This at night, after you finish taking your bath, that's when you're gonna apply it and allow it. So after applying it, you just use it to massage your face. Just massage your face very well. You can apply it on your neck too. Just use it to massage your face very, 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 very well. Give your face a massage, like 2 minutes, you know. Guys, this home remedy works. It's not a joke, it works. Just give it a try. It works. So just come back and thank me. It works so well. End of the video. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video, share to your friends, share to your loved ones. If you know that this video is helpful to you, why won't you share it? Share it. Let other people benefit from it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Remember not to wash it out till the next morning. Bye bye.